Fahim from Bangladesh.
Sheikh, this is Fahim from Bangladesh.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Yes, Sheikh. So, particularly in a city, many of the people collect drinking water from the public water stations because installing a submersible water pump in each of their homes for drinking water requires permission from the city corporation. This permission involves a huge amount of fees. Other cities don't have this requirement, while this city corporation gives lame justification for this unjust fee. And this fee is a significant burden for homeowners, and they request to reduce this, but the authority refuses to change the ruling. So some of them suggest that let's secretly install the pumps without permission, because there will be no sin upon us because the authority is oppressing us. So Sheikh, will someone be sinful if they secretly install a water pump without permission?
Yes.
Jazakallah.
𝐊𝐧𝐿. The answer is yes. This is sinful for you to disobey the authorities, though they are oppressing you, but by violating the rules they had set and installing secretly these pumps, you are jeopardizing other people's rights in getting the water as well, who are unable to afford such pumps, maybe, or unwilling to break the law like you do. So you are sinful for that, and Allah knows best.